Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two incredible drones on our comparison table. In one corner, we have the Ruko F11GIM2 drones, and in the other corner, we have the Holy Stone GPS drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Ruko F11GIM2 drones are priced at $564, while the Holy Stone GPS drone comes in at $299. It's clear that the Holy Stone drone is the more affordable option, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now let's talk about the camera capabilities. The Ruko F11GIM2 drones feature a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal and electric image stabilization technology. This ensures stable video recording and allows for 5x digital zoom and 80 degrees adjustable lens. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone also boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 1.3" CMOS Galaxy Core sensor. It offers 3,840 by 2,160p photos and 4K videos. The camera can be adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app. Both drones offer stunning image quality, but the Holy Stone drone's advanced camera sensor gives it an edge in this category. Battery life is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Ruko F11GIM2 drones can fly for up to 32 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its intelligent batteries. It even comes with 2 batteries, providing a total flight time of 64 minutes per trip. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone GPS drone offers a 20-minute flight time with its powerful modular battery. Although it falls short compared to the Ruko drone, 20 minutes is still a decent amount of flying time for most users. Next, let's discuss range and GPS features. The Ruko F11GIM2 drones have an impressive flying range of up to 9,800 feet, 3 kilometers. It also features GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly functions, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and capturing stunning footage. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone boasts a control range of up to 10,000 feet. It also offers precise GPS positioning for stable flight and a safe return home. With features like Return Home function, it ensures you never lose your drone. Moving on to the controller and connectivity, the Ruko F11GIM2 drones have an upgraded remote control with a USB connection. This enhances image transmission stability and security. The ergonomic design and removable joysticks add to the convenience of storage and carrying. Similarly, the Holy Stone GPS drone features an enhanced remote controller that allows you to connect your smartphone using just one data cable. This means you can enjoy real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The Holy Stone drone's upgraded control system also provides beginner mode and optical flow positioning for easy drone control. According to online reviews, the Ruko F11GIM2 drones are praised for their LED position lights, long battery life, and stable video recording. Some reviewers mentioned the lack of obstacle avoidance capabilities. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone is commended for its affordability, straightforward design, and ease of use. However, reviewers noted that the drone's movements can be jerky and unpredictable, and the image stabilization could be improved. And that wraps up our comparison of the Ruko F11GIM2 drones and the Holy Stone GPS drone. Both drones have their strengths and are suitable for different types of users. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Holy Stone drone is a great choice. However, if you prioritize longer flight time and advanced camera capabilities, the Ruko drone might be the better option for you. Don't forget to check the description below for more information and links to these products. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer or if you have any other product suggestions for future comparisons. Remember to subscribe to Buy Smart for more in-depth product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying.